In this video, I will show you how to unlock your creative potential using Perchance AI, which is one of the most versatile and completely free image generation tools available online today. Unlike many other platforms that require complex setups or expensive subscriptions, Perchance offers a straightforward experience directly in your web browser. To get started, you simply navigate to the image generator page where you are greeted by a clean and minimalist interface. The most important part of the process is the text prompt box. This is where you describe exactly what you want to see. You should try to be as descriptive as possible by including details about the subject, the lighting, the art style, and even the camera angle. If you want a cyberpunk city at night with neon reflections on wet pavement, type exactly that. One of the best features of Perchance is the ability to use negative prompts. This box allows you to list things you want the AI to avoid, such as blurry textures or distorted features. You can also adjust the aspect ratio to fit your needs, whether you are making a vertical post for social media or a wide landscape for a desktop wallpaper. Once you hit the Generate button, the AI works its magic in seconds,